Hi. So in this video, we're going to be talking about relational operators. Now, what are relational operators? All right. So here I have a simple program that is written where I have a float variable and I ask the user to enter the temperature and I capture that input into this variable called temp. All right. Now, let's assume that we want to check and say that okay, if the temperature is greater than or equal to maybe 25 and less than equal to, let's say, 32. All right, let's say I satisfy this condition. I want to print out a message to say it's a great weather. Okay, now mathematically we can write it this way, all right, but in code we have to separate this check into two separate relational checks. All right, so one would be this condition where the temperature is greater than equal to 25, and the other would be this condition where the temperature is smaller than or equal to 32. Okay, so you need to explicitly specify both these conditions separately, all right, in code. So what I need to do is I need to first write the condition that temperature must be greater than equal to 25. This is one condition, and the other condition would be temperature less than equal to 32. Okay, and since I want both of these conditions to be true, it is what we call a AND operation. Okay, AND means the condition 1, okay, condition 1 and condition 2 must both be satisfied. Okay, must both be satisfied. Now, to write this AND in code, we use two ampersand signs next to each other. All right, this is equivalent to saying that I want the first condition and the second condition to be satisfied. Okay, so as a good coding practice, usually when I specify multiple conditions like this, I put each condition in a separate bracket and put the whole check in one big bracket. Okay, so let me write it out. Okay, so the condition is if, okay, so the two conditions are temperature less than greater than equal to 25, okay, and the other condition is temperature less than equal to 32, and in the middle I put two ampersand signs. Okay, and if this condition is satisfied, I want to say cout great weather. Okay, so I'll just put it on a new line. Okay, so again you can see that this is one condition, temperature greater than equals to 25. This is the second condition, temperature less than equal to 32. Each of them are in their own brackets, and I'm making sure that both of them must be required by putting the two ampersand sign here, and I have a big bracket, okay, to encompass both these checks together. All right, so let me run the code. Okay, so here I have let's say I key in a value of, let's say, 27, which is within the range. Okay, so you can see that I satisfy the condition. Okay, now just to check that everything is okay, I'll put an else condition. Okay, so if I do not satisfy the condition, I will print out this statement. Okay, hope it gets better. Okay, so I'll just remove the \n here. Okay, so let me do this again. So I'm going to key in within the bounds, so let's say 31. So that works. All right, now I'm going to key in outside the bound. Okay, let's say I put in 23. Okay, so since I do not satisfy the condition of being greater than equal to 25 or lesser than or equal to 32, I do not satisfy the if condition, so I execute the else statement over here. Okay, so just one more time. Okay, if I key in 29, great weather. Okay, so that is basically how you can make use of relational operators when you want to check for the presence of two or multiple conditions. So you can have multiple conditions, and if you want all of them to be satisfied, then you just put the 2 ampersand sign to combine all of these checks together. Alright, so hope this gives you a good introduction to the use of relational operators in your code. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.